Hello everyone. So if you want to use the split screen feature on your Xiaomi 14 Pro, first of all, you are to open two applications which support split screen. For example, let's open up a YouTube and then let's open up our TikTok. All right. Now go to your opened application list. So tap here and choose the first application. For example, YouTube. Give it a hold. Find this icon with two bricks on each other, tap on it, and we've got our first screen open. Now let's tap on the second one, and as we see, we've got our split screen on. So you can rearrange it by dragging on this icon in the middle of your screen, right? If you want to escape from your split screen, simply once again tap on this three dots under your line and you'll find this cross icon, and as you see, the applications has been closed. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.